inda muke duban issues da ya concern politics. Shugaban kasa John Dramani Mahama ya mikawa ya sunan shi Justice Bafo Boni takaddan aiki ya soma aiki inda jiya aka rantsar da shi as the Chief Justice, and of course Ghana's judiciary should serve all, not the powerful, according to Bafo Boni, bayan da aka rantsar da shi a matsayin Chief Justice na kasan Ghana. John Dramani Mahama kuma lokacin da yake magana ya gaya mai he should ensure justice is not tilted towards the powerful. Lokacin da shi kuma shugaban kasa ya yake magana kenan bayan da ya rantsar da shi Justice Bafo Boni. Kai da kake kallo na ina ra'ayinka, what do you think about this new Chief Justice da aiki da aka sa annun shi da yanda zai yi aikin shi? 0553683010 is the number da za ka turo mana ra'ayinka. Ghana Armed Forces kuma sun sanar da cewa kaman recruitment da ake yi nan yankin Ankara da cunkoso, aka yi cunkoso ya yi sanadiyar mutuwar mutane 6 da aka dakatar da shi za a suma on the 20th of November, ranar Alhamis da ke zuwa nan gaba. Suka ce yanzu dai sun sake tsari inda sentence nan za a samu 118 ne yanzu, sabida a yi abin nan cikin tsari kuma yadda ya kamata. Immigration, recruitment, immigration, fire service, prison service, duka kuma an fara tare da police, sun sanar da al'umma yanda za su applying into these services. Bi ma'ana an open for them to start applying, ko ba haka ba? Na'am. So wannan tare da na armed forces. And then MPP internal politics. Professor Frimpong Boateng has been speaking in the family and friends rule threatens MPP future. So waɗannan number tutuwa da dai batutuwa kuma da suka saura za mu tattauna akan wannan shirinmu na wato Tsarin Safiya. Sannunku da zuwa gentlemen. Ina da ɗanwa Ishmael Usman, political science student ne a University of Ghana, kuma communications team member na NPP. Sa'annan ɗanwa chairman maestro da kuka sani shi ke wakiltar NDC kowane ranar Talata. Sannunku da zuwa. So these are the issues. Na soma da kai chairman. Wanciki da ka dauki ya soma.
Well, clearly the Nason Duba batun swearing in of Chief Justice, because justice is something that always is very important for us as a nation. Kuma da yenda biya a rival batun yenda before his appointment and whatever before the former CG and everything. So clearly the Safinga Godiani kima Allah kuma gode muku kwarai. Na gode ma mutane na I was enough. Most especially MP na Honorable Jaja da matan sa Jafar da Jaja da MC na Muhammad Hawal Harun, chairman Alhaji Manafo ka sai na ge da ku duka da masu kallo wanga dantali mai albarka. Kuma we are here to serve the nation, not only the political party. Muna nan ne a matsayin political party, but the most important in Ghana is first. We put Ghana first before any political party, because back Ghana ba political party.
Now,
mu waje ba Ghana ina political party kuma. Kamar wanda yace wani kenan yace yana ce matan shi kamar shi yana da karfi sosai. So matan na rely mijin saboda ya ba ta assurance kamar yana da karfi. So ko ina ta je tana tonin fada ne.
Okay.
Oh yes, because miji ya tun ga mata kamar komai kiyaki amma ni saboda ina da karfi. So in actual fact sai matan ta je ta tuni fada. Sha biyo mijin nan. Aka biyo gidan no ta fito me za ku yi. She knows the assurance given by the mijin. So da aka zo aka daga mijin nan aka daga kafan shi biyu ya fadi sai matan ce ma ba ka daga kafi to wani daga kafa na biyu kan me zan sai kuma so don na da kafa amma kafa na biyu an daga yayin kan me zan sai kuma so in that fact kuma muke yin duka batun justice of the country is very important.
An ce miji tana da karfi za tana yawon tunan fada.
So yanzu ma zo kuma za ka daga kafa shi biyu sai ga mijin kuma kasa sai ta ce kama ba ka ce kama zai ce to yanzu an daga kafa biyu duka kan me zan saya. So with all the political party da abin da ke faru duka in dai ba justice system da yake da muke da confidence kai malafar komai muke yi duka banza ne. Kwanan ne da komai ya zo whether from any agency, institution, any political party, komi, ko even internal parties, in dai suna da problem, court justice zai ja ne mai. Gane dungun gabadiya ko any election petition, komi court za mu je mu nemi. So I would like to start from that. Na yi murna kuma na hope kamar abin da muke sinkaya mu gan shi aka nan. Because ne da ya mace muna koyi lessons what really happened. Maganganun da His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama ya fada, that was yesterday. We want to see it working on that. Kuma as new Chief Justice Bafuboni, kama inda kuwa kiferiwa undoubtedly, kama he passed all the ranks. Kuma he has saved so many regimes from President Kufuor, Professor Mers, the first of President Mahama, the two terms of President Kufuor, and then now President John Dramani Mahama. He has saved all the Fourth Republic. Well, I've been very important in President Mahama ya ime magana da yi duka bine jama'a ne dunar ko yaji. He's there to serve the people. Ba wani interference, ba wani mai kudi ni, wani mai power ne ko kaza ne. Indi abin yazo gaban shi ya fara as it is. We don't want to see what really abin da mutane ke tunani previously. Because in the kowane leader yazo to take affairs of the judiciary. Kaza yazo ake lokaci hearing from the NAS expose da abubuwa da former NASA security coordinator what is the name Kandapa. You have to boldly come on, this is what people are reporting about the judiciary. There's no confidence to kaza. You remember of the unanimous MC da abubuwa ngadukana. Bafobani so let people move kama is now there. You kama ina mukifadi wana malafari at the end of the day no one abu yozo a lie on the head. It lies on the head. Because subordinate kika da wala nsuki kashinka. Am at the end of the day na head na kikuba. So we want to see him reform so they say kawo na mukani. Most especially malafari shi da kanshi ya bari ko ya san kaman akwai challenges da backlog na cases na adjournment abubuwan na ya bari mu san cewa kaman this case na malam fare ya kawo ganna I'll try as a chief justice wanda zan panel su duba wannan case na aje can travel like 2 months or 3 months with some justice we can malam fare justice is about money it's kudini because you can go you think it's easy the lawyers, your time and everything, enjoyment in Nanduka, ya might say new just yafi duba. Kuma ya but because of the backlog na ya recruit more judges. Kuma ya recruit na make sure kama just delivery na muna guys yende kamata. At the end of the day na manufari ku ya kai judgment and someone in the zasu punch holes. You are bound not to talk about the case in the AK pending. Okay, we are on trial. In the judgment, you should now. Mutane sui magana. I plead and I beg and I hope come on. At the end of the day, any case in Israel before him na. In your tuma the case, makoza for the carry them so much punch holes. Come on, yamate kaza yamate. Though they are women, mutum nika dan tarani. You understand me? Not because of your judge now. You are superwoman being. No. But what is the yamate against a sense of judgment in abindeka abingadishina. Apart from that, man of Farikagan come one of the one problem that we face in this country.
No.
Most of times now we see some small cases being speed up. And in the akui expectation day one.
You're not drug.
In the somehow funny, maybe there's a case involved some babon kudi. Maybe maybe a high profile politician the court again come ba wanga case in a case in the kamata na kasa ta sama amfani.
Is that maybe machine na dokan lawyoyi da suke da karfi da dami shi they argue cases but that's why the cases drag. So not necessarily because maybe masayin machine.
Yes, at the end of the day now mutanen Ghana kuma the expectation ake duban shi as a new justice na you make sure come justice system na ya expedite yi sauri at the end of the day now because man for a one case na in drive so for so long mutane ma hankali su ya fita kai wannan case na
justice delayed is
justice is not justice denied ama as at now we can change as a nation but wannan ma ya kawo what happened at the elwak no so moon's okay ya kawo reforms dey over so you tell yourself come back if you can do this why wait for this thing to happen before you come out of this at the end of the day now most one of the new chief justice President Mama Yabas assurance it should be very fair and firm. No discrimination, no about wealthy person or anybody because one can now do by any no. Justice is justice. Kuma justice is for everybody.
No.
Justice is not for sale. Kind of one like somebody is working against some case the man of very very powerful person. When you come to buy that TV, you have to be very careful. And anything the corner the case to the man of very is involved in that.
Actually, powerful now.
No, what I'm saying is that I'm just giving an example.
No, don't use me as an example.
Okay, that's okay.
Use Mahama.
Okay, as a President
Mahama is the most
powerful person. I say number one gentleman.
Yeah.
Come on, maybe what is involved President Mahama, Kowoni family of him.
Thank you.
Justice have to take its course. Carry a do come on somebody it involves somebody who is very powerful or occupies a high position and do by any manipulate. Posterity will judge. Because I didn't man of Yezu Justice Tokono she's a former Chief Justice until anything that happens. Because Mongan discussing in Parliament, that can vet she the case about for burning now. He still have some cases that pending. Okay?
No.
And my cases now be by the Carfia come by a vet in school by a swear in. So say I can tell you come on where you are now. You know very well as a Justice of Supreme Court, come on, some cases are pending. In the one outcome is what will happen. Say no problem. Angani cases like 2012, the MPP sent case to court. One number prevent swearing in of President Mahama. In 2016, it also in 2020, yes, it also happened. Case now before the Supreme Court will prevent swearing in of the President Akufo-Addo. Meaning, if anything the outcome is now, any outcome you cannot go against the Supreme Court having a delivery of the justice. They check why not? If anything that comes, why not? The seat can be vacated for other person to come and occupy. So clearly, Yahweh assurance we want to see that manifest because at the end of the day, justice is what we all need. Come you make sure when perception mutani, the confidence back to the chin. It should bring back the confidence. Commander. Bring back the love.
Do you think that the minority, the NPP would ever have confidence in this CJ?
But I'm very sure about that because I need
looking at the circumstances.
Yes, I didn't.
Appointing. Aka feed the one chaka appointing.
At the end of the day, now.
If you didn't have confidence in her, do you think they will have confidence in the one that you have appointed?
We have confidence in her during our time now. Clearly, there's so much public perception.
There isn't now on him.
No, when I'm coming.
No, there isn't now on him.
Not bill on point.
All right.
Public perception
now
on the judicial as whole. Even Nasaki is
and you think that by the appointment of Boafo Boni replacing Tokonu with Boafo Boni, change one perception.
I'm very hope.
And look at the scenario.
I'm very hope. The scenario Naniba, no any MPP legal brains. You gotta come on bar. I've been the Akapikai now. It's illegal. Everything is legal. Their problem is that they took about the co-workers and come back. Upon pending issues, I took a file motion to Parliament. Being a Speaker of Parliament as a lawyer, be a Speaker of Parliament who have experience over all of them, saying come back. When no motion be Hannah vetting of the Supreme Court judge
would the Speaker of Parliament would he have done anything different?
No, what if
I mean, yeah, take any different position.
No, Speaker of Parliament.
I mean, looking at the way Speaker of Parliament has conducted himself, when matters of interest here between the majority and minority, Koko MPP, NDC in Parliament, he's clearly an NDC person. Would he have done this thing?
But you can
Who does it know?
You can judge Bagbin even when
he's an NDC person.
Yes, there's no two words about that.
He's an NDC person.
You can judge.
And there's no way Bagbin will do the bidding of the MPP in Parliament.
You see,
as a speaker. Let us be sincere. When we fair
yes, I mean,
to our viewers.
Clearly,
Bagbin will always go the way of
by the standing orders and the law. By the standing orders and the law, because anybody from MPP said, let me refer you to our standing order and the laws existing. Back then, Yawati Ghanaians must salute it. Even handle the hang parliament. Very professional, very experienced. We are lucky to have a person like Bagbin when we have a hang parliament.
Back to my question.
Yes.
I'm saying that, do you think that just by replacing the Chief Justice, that perception changes?
Because clearly, with time, because by your zone account and right away, in checking with the perception.
Isn't it the case that the perception has always been an NDC perception? So once the Chief Justice has been changed, now you don't think that there are issues anymore. Isn't that the case?
No, I mean,
that's always been an NDC thing. That's one Bam Sunta. One she's there to do the bidding of the NPP. So now that she's gone, we are okay with the new Chief Justice. So we think that now the perception is
the issue is that.
Please, the question I beg you.
Question then it's too early for everybody, all of us here. It's too early. Gia, I am swearing in. Okay. I can put out everything that has to be said by the president, and then the chief CJ in the case you're 40. Is that okay? So we take him by his words and what President Mahama has said. Okay? So we take him by his words and what President Mahama has said. So clearly, is going to make sure that the perception of the Ghanaians that against having a spring our justice system in this country now, there will be a change. Though you have 1 year, and at the end of the day, now, one word which is very huge. The more that can come in posterity.
All right.
Posterity. Let me end finally and say, Kamamba. You see today, one of the laws of our land that you can be petition a president. You can be petitioning against any article 74 holders of the office. If you have anything, if there's a prima facie case against the person. So if all the procedure are done, where we are now, we have a new justice. Though we have some small case pending for previous Chief Justice. So at the end of the day now, I have taken his words against him. Go on he have 1 year. I've been for the Yuka. And I believe under President John Dramani Mahama, Bad interferences is going to work as a Supreme Court judge. We are going to see changes.
Thank you.
So that we cannot conclude and change the perception and look at which.
Thank you.
We are not being fed into ourselves.
All right. Then why is my
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam.
To naji babban yayana yayi maganganu da dama. But abin da nake son ya gane shine in judiciary na process ne ba event ba ne. Aka ce maka abu process ne yana bi hanyoyi da dama tukun ya kai inda ya kamata
ya kai.
So passing through a wrong process meaning that you are going to a wrong direction. Kaga yau ba football ne in a history shine da 28th Chief Justice Ghana Yesamu. And also the 9th since the 4th Republic. One day came. In ka duba history, hanyar da aka doki aka choose ba for boarding ga bai taba faruwa ba. ya faru ma kama wani so guda wani lokacin kurma da shi kuma ya taba yin wani abu hakan ganga don shi me ke gwada kaman in an doki iko an cire wani kaman tashi in kawo mutumi na an ajiye wurin ga
is that the case? Tashin kawo mutumi?
Oh yes, that is the case.
Me ke gwada
okay, abinda ke gwada shi
ba fu wani mutumin Muhammad.
Yes, abinda ke gwada shi ne ba ba mutumin Muhammad ba ne. Kaga ya an kai Tokono ta zama Chief Justice. An bi process wani sun save time su ya kare ya kamata a kawo wani asa ba kamar an doki iko ne aka label mai shi nan da wani case don a cire shi ba a'a wani ne ya save time shi tun 28 funga da wanga ya zaman nan waɗanda suka tashi duka haka aka yanda process ke tafiya kenan ana bar ka save time ka kare after saving your time then ya kamata wani ya zo ya continue don in a situation da samu ba yadda ka save time ka kare ba shi wani ya cire ka duka nan me shina da wani interest da yake dan ya save ka understand don shi there's no way da wani zai ce kaman Mahama coming to replace Bafu Boni ba mutumin Mahama bane ba interest Mahama Bafu Boni dai zo ya me ya save ba kowa ya san kaman Mahama na da wani interest because even before ya zo power Mahama ya yi batun unanimous FC before ya zo power national chairman su ya yi kaman in aka zo an cire Tokono shi wadanga abubuwa duka nan ba sabon abu bane abubuwa ne wanda suka fadi kuma da suka zo suna yi
ba kan doka suka bi suka fitaita ba
ko dokan da suka bi
ba ta aikata wani laifi ba da za a bi kan doka ce ki
laifin da ta aikata
yi daidai da ka'idan aiki
ba laifin da ta aikata
shi ya in bai ba ta aikata laifi ba ta kan wani
ya sunan shi hanyar nan da aka ce ana doka a cire Chief Justice misbehavior incompetence misconduct incapacity breach of oath of office.
Hasn't she committed any of these? I mean,
yanzu nan offenses da aka ce wai ta tafiya ta travel cikin benefits of da ke da shi in the office akwai waɗannan travel allowances da abubuwan da ke ciki.
No.
It is in her own right to use waɗannan abubuwa. But use misconduct da ake fadin nan ko misbehavior waɗannan abubuwa da na state guda biyar da ke sa a petition Chief Justice nan ba wanda ta fall within that waɗannan abubuwan nan. And then kuma in law akwai abin da ake consider moral grounds. In aka ce moral grounds shine in the lokacin da wani ke zai faru kana duban a kesin ganna amma muka use law do law ya bada hanya mu yi shi haka amma after yin shi nan me dai zo baya that is why you have to apply moral grounds because yanzu nan the integrity of our judicial system nan is at stake because da kamata mu use moral ground mu question matan nan abinda ta yin nan ko da mama ta biya wani penalties in ma gaskiya ne kudin da aka yi su nan ma bai kamata ta yi su ba ma ta tabiya ko ba haka nan ba then a continue but cire tan nan ya kawo babban question mark in the law system in Ghana duka completely
ko ya kamaci a fitita
ko ya kamaci besides ka sani ba
kana spouse moral argument
ina batun moral grounds na inda ka consider moral grounds baka duban case nan at that time kana duban bayan case nan me zai faru.
Okay, all right.
Ka understand? Shi yasa ake consider moral
consequences.
Brother na ya use 2012 case MPP ya take court. I spent kamar 9 months ko zuwa kusan 1 year.
Yes.
Ana zuwa up and down. Then abubuwan da ya faru court duka. NDC ya MPP ya gwada evidence abubuwan da ke gwada kamar lalle ne. Abu kaza ya faru ri kaza abu kaza ya faru ri fine wani ya rule for 9 good months kana ya kaman da zuwa ce an cire me shi a kuma ko mu gana ya zama lafiya ne no don shi irin waɗannan lokacin nan duka ana yi su moral grounds even though you have a case amma bayan kesin kan muka ce za mu yi Ghana uprising ya zo.
Okay, so that's the reason why bayan wannan she aka zamana aka canza dokan aka ce ya kamaci ko in akwai petition after an election ya kamaci a yi shi cikin wanga lokaci kai extend
ya kai wani lokaci balle ba iya sake a ba ya sake nan. So yanzu nan ni magana na duka game da tokonu ne. Look, ba ita ba amma system da muke da shi na justice system is at stake now. There's a big question mark.
He talked about confidence. Now confidence, perception now, by the virtue of the fact that unreplaced Anka Sabu Ghanaians yanzu perception about the justice delivery system, the shefarku be the kyau yanzu ya gyaru.
Alright, yanzu perception da yake fadin nan one ba cire tokonu saboda justice system okay the problem but then it's a personal act. Ko ba haka nan ba ce kamar ya kamata tukunu ta yi abu kaza in justice system ko wani ya mungu kaza ta bar shi ko wani ya kaza ba no an ce wuta tafiya.
So these are personal offenses.
These are personal offenses, not against the law.
It has nothing to do with the system, and delivery of justice.
I understand. And the problem it has nothing to do with the delivery of justice.
So when I defeat argument in the case about perception.
About perception. Perception shine me. Perception na muna kama amata na inda take na but there's no fairness in the justice system. Abokin ga ya kamata a kulle shi amma saboda ya zama dan party kaza ta bar shi ta kama wani saboda bai zama dan party kaza ba wadannan abubuwan aka doki aka cire ta fan she's not being fair. Ka understand amma don ta tafiya don ta ci wani kudin da bai kamata ta yi kaza ba wadannan duka na is a personal abin nan da bai kamata mu apply in a judicial system such as the entire country system. So yanzu nan perception da shi yake fadi na abinda nake bidan ya understand ni posterity ya doki ya kare maganan shi bai taba yin clear ba mu taba yadda Ghana ba taba yadda da wanganganga justice system da aka ba mu yanzu nan because process nan da aka biya aka doki aka kawo wangan nan ya riga ya create ya dent mama image wannan machine nan da yazo nan.
Will the MPP remove him? Should they come back to power?
I don't even wish so.
By then, Makamaya
Banso MPP repeat one mistake in NDC na. Can understand? Abudana kebidan chairman understand. Gaskiya ni over the years na MPP ya yi lucky. Ko wani time dey zo power dukan nan. She kamar Supreme Court judges
appoints
exactly. So NDC na dan ko wani ko ya ne shi ma a ce ya appoint wani. But then ba kaman MPP na appoint because of suna dokan iko bane no. It is the law that gives them the chance. Nazo lokacin wani kaza ya kare. She lokaci na ne dole ni ya kamata in appoint.
Okay.
Damuwan NDC duka kenan. But then yau NDC sun create wani vacuum wanda a close wannan abin ga na yayi wuya sosai. Bishi ni dai nawa view game da wannan wuri shine gaskiya mistake dai an riga an yi. And then there's no way confidence in Ghanaians kan Bafuboni zai abin nan. Shi dai Bafuboni yana da aiki sosai da zai kamata yi. Ba shi ba confidence in Ghanaians kan Bafuboni even entire NDC da kansu they will has a question mark on the man. No duba mutumin da okay misconduct ko ba haka nan ba aka ci abubuwan da dai sa a cire chief justice ko ba haka nan ba misconduct incompetence randa ake swear wanga baba ranan nan no shi baban ga ko okay ranan vetting shi yace wai ya kamata ya jail wani 30 years amma yana tsoron ya jail mai shi ya tayi komo ya zo mai wani abun shi ya jailin shi 70 years.
Don't they have that discretion as judges?
No.
To determine, to decide, come on.
The discretion that you can the penalty units. as a judge kana the penalty unit do she jail in the daka jail one kana calculate the penalty unit nan ne ka doki ka jail be shi.
So in this case ya yi shi fiye da yanda ya kamata
shi da kanshi da bakin shi wai ya kamata ya jail wani kaza 30 years but ina tsoron ya jail din shi ya kare abokin nan ya fito shi yana alive guy nan ya zo ya attack shi da family shi don shi ba guy nan 70 years wannan ranar nan no ya kamata abokin na strip with out of that power.
I think I also hold the same opinion though.
That day no Bafuboni ya disqualify kanshi ya zama chief justice in Ghana. Meaning that ya use personal interest or emotions
yeah.
Ya ruling. How can such a person become a chief justice in this country? Mede faru gobe. No shi inde wangangama ya isa ta kenan. That means wani opposition person wanda ya challenge shi cikin wanganga lokacin processing ga ya samu case ya zo gaban shi me zai mai. So my brother, even though abin ya riga ya faru ba ya isa kiya amma gaskiya babban dent an shafa ma judicial system mu wani kashi wanda yake mu share wannan kashin nan gaskiya ya wuya.
All right, akwai wasu messages nan ku ban read messages nan 1 2 1 2 1 2 okay. All right, now
yes
when you read messages nan our MPs are not doing anything to deserve any scholarship. I think this has to do with what I did earlier. Talk is cheap. The level of corruption in the security service is disturbing, wallahi, and must be looked at. This one also has to do with what I did earlier. Muhammad wondering how he feels when his colleague was wrongly accused for him to replace her. He's talking about Bafo Bonnie. By the time the MPP comes to power, he will be on retirement, yet he will still be removed from the list and have his pension taken. A lot is going to happen when MPP takes over power. Ibrahim congratulations to the NDC National Chairman for his swearing in as the newly appointed Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. They finally brought in their own Chief Justice as they promised in the 2024 campaign. Let's see what the future holds. I hope he's not coming to do the job. I hope he's not coming to do the job about someone. Okay, I know. Let me read it as the person wrote it. Grammatical mistakes. I hope is not coming to do the job about someone's third coming. We are watching. I hope you understand the message.
Exactly, we understand what he wants to say.
Until they swear with eggs and schnapps, we will never trust them. Salam. Good morning to you, Malam Ferry, and your guest. Special greetings to my brother Ishmael Usman, alias Virus, from your sister Lutfia. Salam Muhammad. Build factories and employ masses of the. I will come to this. We will come to the military recruitment and all that. That's it. Yeah.
Well, my very
now Canada want to rebut.
Yeah. The law is the law.
The law is the law.
Now some draw brother na is refresh his mind back. Under President Akufo-Addo, people petition against this woman.
Okay.
And maybe I was going any prima facie case.
What was the cases against her?
The same issues was a petition under President Akufo-Addo. President Akufo-Addo, are we saying Kawamba, Etakuma, is there MPP woman organizer, whatever? And for all behold, Bafo Bonnie was even get any promotion under MPP. Because they made it clear in parliament where that time then this was having a problem. Come on, Mr. Kufo, a case appeal court and high court, whatever. They made it clear. If today when you check come on, national chairman to come and chief justice.
Bafu Boni came into the limelight through the MPP. What now?
So under President Mahama, people petition say you be due process. Yeah, by Council of State. So there's a prima facie case against her. Look at the caliber as a Supreme Court judge and head of the judicial service. Abubuwan da ya kamata a yi sai ta kauce, and they say there's a case that they even ECOWAS calls.
Abubuwan da aka ce ta kauce kaman.
But you cite it being misconduct of the office.
Okay.
Kariki traveling.
Aka ce misconduct.
Yeah.
It's a bulky thing.
Yeah, that's why
at least Guadamana got case.
Oh, the case is out there. Koya senior, but you also educating. I've been a case in the Africa for the bar. You understand me? Taji Koina, whatever she go, she's not get any justice on the issue. Koina Taji and defeating her on that. I've been telling you now. On law. It's a press conference. At that case, now, even when she's before the committee, she's not even have that power to go and have a press conference. In law now it's wrong. So now there's a case against her. Kamamba, I've been the Tayi. So step aside. I do, but President Mama about about time I could do back a bit. So the final report was given out to President Mama. Come on, reporting them. Ambashina should react on the report. So you take a man, Angani, they think so. Now we are out. So bad when this is the first time he can come on where you when it dent in the on President Mahama and everything. Why is the law the law? We are going to come up in the due process. But when they pinpoint, even your leader at the parliament, where the issue they have now, it's not its competency, it's not in everything. But to some pending cases, you only that in parliament. That's what they're saying.
And what are those pending cases?
Where she's trying to look at the benefit aspect, the way process was taken and everything. One now so come in that angira one pending cases in so can file motion in parliament. Actually come back because of that they will not be part of the vetting. Come so oppose nomination being a process like a parliament. That is only the minority. Their issue, but the competence of the man, nobody's doubt. Nobody's doubt. If it's not accused, come on, one president could force elevating to become a Supreme Court judge, whatever. NDC was having an issue at that time. So today, it defeats any tester, any communicator. Come on,
like I said, it's not about the man's caliber, but then the process.
It has passed all the process. It has passed all the process. It has passed. But the only thing your leader was saying in parliament, they were waiting for some pending issues. When that one is done,
pending issue.
The one case that court kaza on her behalf. So they were even waiting. Say speaker achieve come back. One case is now. Be hand sue. Vetting of this man.
Nde kaji excuse me banyanka baki kaba. Nkaji magana da na fadi ba. Magana na nake ce maka ne ba. Ba event ba ne process ne.
It has through the process.
Process ne. And after from 1 to quantity.
And we have exhausted all. We exhausted all.
Na abinda ke ciki ne 1. Ba wanda ya ce kamar ba football ne. As a current chief justice yana da problem ko kaza. Amma hanyar nan da aka doki aka appointing shi nan ya create wani babban question mark kan shi. 1 2 in kana duban vetting na ran da ake vetting shi the current ya sunan shi ya sunan gayin ga ya zo yana batun no
lokacin su sun abin sun
Attorney General Attorney General na cewa kaman though the appointment of Bafuboni bai samu effect kan pending case nan da kenan ko ba haka nan ba in aka kare ma court ya decide kaman tana da case Bafuboni will sit aside to continue.
Yeah, that's what he said.
That is what the Attorney General is saying.
Yes.
They yasa hakana kuma ya yadda kan magana da yake fadi na ba kariya ke Maganiyas ba.
Oh,
then why don't you wait? No, Joe.
That's where
no.
That's where you got it wrong.
No, listen. Ina da makan kama abin gana wani. Wanga kuma na zamne wona shi ne shaka cho mu doki mu ba wangan aka kare in dai na wani an sha ba ne da shi da me dai saka bar abin na yana jin da yake nan ba mu kare gaddan mu kare maganan nan akane waya kamata ya maganar da MPP ke fadi duka kenan yanzu ba ce kaman ba maganar da aka ce against matan nan kariya ne ko ba kariya ba da maganar nan na court one in dai ba chief justice wani bai ya influence maganan nan ko ba haka nan ba okay yanzu nan ka kawo Bafuboni as a chief justice Bafuboni knowing very well kama matan nan ta win case ta ya kamata ya step aside ko ya bar office shi ita ta komo don Allah an kai ne ka je ka bar ta win case ta yanzu nan Bafuboni will influence the case ko da tana da case ma bai zama case
that is on your perception.
No, let me tell you something.
Bafuboni ya yadda a cikin sin ta wi zo ta fite
yanzu why saying she was having a case.
You are even taking my time. I'll come back again because
let me land.
You are just doing
let me land here.
I did not end my rebuttal.
She's having a case with Ghana.
Let him talk.
She's having a case with Ghana
for a very long time.
She's having a case with Ghana. Can't understand that. She's having a case with Ghana. Ko ba haka ba. Yanzu the Bafuboni Yezo office. Now her case is against Bafuboni because they ran the data win case duka yakamata Bafuboni ya leave ya bar office ta teta shiga wurin nan. Do you think in kai ne Bafuboni would you allow her to win that case?
Do you understand the issue about the law is the law?
Oh my brother.
Law nan ni ayi.
That is the picture. That is the picture painted to you and
now. Set my example. Which will put this matter to rest.
Okay.
I filed motion in Parliament.
Yeah, there's a motion exactly.
See, that motion does not have any ground to stop his appointment or his vetting his approval.
Wow.
Say, Bible young body should understanding orders and the law. Okay. Yes, you people, you don't even have opportunity to talk about the Ghana constitution because that you are not even part. Back when I did that, we having a dressmakers that who so you are now, but now you hold it the highest esteem. So you don't even understand the law because you are not even part of the law. Now you are taking the constitution. Yes,
the fact that we didn't take part, doesn't mean that we don't understand.
Emotion with due respect. If they wanted to come and do their own thing, you know, APP guys, they are schemers. The speaker, with due respect or respectful with the speaker, later they end up disrespecting him. You know, case in the Aki, but to you, they ask him because the man understands the law. We in guys, one pending case they kind. Is saying you looking guy, it come otherwise. Well, no, why not? Say she can check on back, but Supreme Court cases are before the less invitation. People knows that come about. Naka kujeranga. Ama one case will be prevent by swearing in by president, but I'll swear in the president. The case is still ongoing. At the end of the day now, when the law says, come on back, oh no, you are not a legitimate.
As a case in president and the chief justice are quite different, Chikidi.
Oh, but do you want to?
Because the president doesn't decide on the case. Can't understand I. One case in so can president back home one case in but yo chief justice she did case in she the kind. No, there's a difference, please.
So that's
one as an example.
Oh,
no, the
case. So does it mean Kabamba? I don't even want to go back to Salotos and everything.
No, what case in president in
now? One number, but it's my date man on Akufa Salotos saying that Kenya don't even know the petitioners. Don't even know the petitioners. Salotos want to treat them. Under you guys.
Electoral
You're not
petition
even
is
talking
different.
about that one.
Unfortunately, we are not talking about Charlotte.
No, I'm
talking
saying
about Chief Justice.
cases,
Let
big
us,
cases.
Baba Musek.
So what you say is a date.
Electoral
Of President Mahama.
Electoral petition is different from a chief justice.
Petition is
For
petition.
Yazun,
Petition is a petition.
Electoral petition. Electoral petition. The banning from the chief justice. Yazun, there's a chief justice here presiding on the court issues. She Yazun Nina Kawo Magana, come on, catch chain during election. Ya mata wani ya zamna chief justice ya duba gaskiya ne ko kariya ne ya ba ni da kai wake da gaskiya mai yanzu nan da chief justice nan da ya kamata yi wannan shi no kuma ke da wannan case nan shaka zo aka swear in wani waya mai shi zo ya zamna wurin nan ya duba in matan nan na da gaskiya ya tashi ne so matan ta zo ta zamna. This is the man ya kamar da kake fadin nan yanzu sauran shi less than some few years ya 1 year ya take retirement addu'an shi cikin rayuwar shi duka ne ya samu wannan position na shi ma rana guda ya zamna ya kara cikin records shi she yanzu nan ga zuwa next 1 hour time sha ce an kai case matan na je zamna kai do you think ya ce matan na tana da gaskiya?
So are you saying are you saying come ba
there's a conflict of interest.
Conflict of interest. You can't come in that set one case now. Will you be part of the panel?
With who be?
She did set up panel.
She did. Who set up the panel?
But he will not be part of the panel.
Who set up the panel?
That is where you cannot even apply the conflict of interest.
No, who set up the panel? And then now, those panels are serving his interest.
Who says so? You see, sometimes don't be jumping in conclusion.
How
can you be saying
that's the
it's understanding.
Opinion.
Yes. I can take your opinion.
Whether you agree with him.
Take your opinion.
What he's saying is that the issue with you.
Yes.
Issue naje da shi court.
Yes.
Da naje da shi court. Position da nike kai aka doke ka aka zo aka dibiya kai she kai yanzu kai da aka fite waɗanda da zo su ci magana na maganan da ni da kai muke da shi
kuma kai ne leader.
Don't you think what he's saying is
Malafari, we are talking about the matter now. I've been a woman organizer could now being as one the law is the law.
Why are you calling a
he's referring Bafuboni as a national chairman, now he's chief justice. You understand?
Did he? It's a Texas.
But that is a friend. That is a friend. Because check out what they will take his name and his benefit and everything.
She's not.
Okay, that's okay. That's yes. I'll draw that. I'll draw that. Malafari, the law is the law. Whether the man Bafuboni is a panel on that issue, they are also judges. They are level thinking people. And if you come out with any judgment,
judges and justices.
Sometimes not the problem with the MPP communicators. There's a perception.
Supreme Court's petition.
Yes.
He was part of the judges.
Yes.
Carson couldn't describe us as unanimous FC.
This is
wait.
No,
we're having a conversation.
Yes.
So calm down.
Yes.
Couldn't describe us as unanimous FC.
Yeah.
At that time.
Is it the
which
whole,
means
is
the
case the whole nation, or we are referring to NDC?
No, couldn't describe the 7 panels.
Yes.
Judges the Suki can case as unanimous FC.
Yes.
To mean that when he case them, no one will press one button could take this decision. Just to take 7 of them all. So duka ye carry can nazwa. Duka ye carry can the then Chief Justice Tokumu.
Yeah.
She na chiwa kama. In the Bafuboni yeke yo. Yeah, create the same unanimous FC name your back can she can case nga. That one you are saying be impossible.
Kuma can end on nice note in the sense that is his opinion. Okay? Let me tell you something. Manufari, you know I can get the book is
NDC.
They are national security coordinator then Kandaba.
Has done what?
Come and stole the whole nation, come back. The way justice system is going now, that you don't want FC the Ake kill now. It's a danger to national security. Their own national security coordinator.
I don't understand what has this got to do with the question I just asked? I'm saying that
yes.
Supreme Court's petition.
Yes.
The NDC described
the whole nation, not NDC. Only MPP that not even see that.
Nazwa. what I know is the NDC squad describes, not the whole nation.
Oh, but some papers are.
It is NDC. Those papers
even
are
their own man.
Those papers are.
Their own
please. This is what I don't like about you. You see.
So
well, I'm asking you a question. You are not even asking. You are allow me to ask you the question. You are not even allowing the question to come
to flow,
and you are just doing. No, I'll ask the question.
Okay, ask.
I'm saying that.
Yes, and then you allow me.
Your party. Describe the 7 judges the Suki Zemeka, including this same Bafu Boni and Tokonu, the 2 people we are talking about here, as unanimous FC.
Yes.
Look at Chimkoche Boku, you did the justice delivery system in Ghana.
Yeah.
Domin Tokonu, the Chief Justice, can influence judges, soon I take decision, including Bafu Boni.
Yeah.
But that Bafu Boni who was influenced by Tokonu as one of the unanimous FC. You think that today he cannot influence other judges to judge on his behalf?
Okay, so
or on his in his favor.
So
that's the question I'm asking you.
So it maybe on you to your opinion.
This is not an opinion. These are facts. Please, don't make it an opinion. If you make it an opinion, because this is a fact. Don't describe it as an opinion. Is it a fact that the NDC described the judges as unanimous FC? Yes, it is. Is it a fact that the NDC said they did not have confidence in the justice delivery because Tokonu was leading it? And just now on this show, you described Tokonu as the women's organizer of the MPP. That was what the NDC believed back then. Wait, that's the main reason why you thought at that time that any decision that came from there was unanimous FC, meaning Tokonu had influence on all the judges to judge in favor of the MPP. And I'm saying today, it is the same Tokonu and Bafu Boni that we are talking about. And this time around, flip. Bafu Boni is now the Chief Justice. Somebody who was influenced. When that influence, I could tune my dish. You judge in MPP's favor during the presidential petition. You think that that person is not corrupt and cannot do same now that he's a Chief Justice to appoint judges and tune them for them to judge in his favor?
Okay, so very well.
It is not an opinion. These are facts.
Okay.
I'm just asking a question.
Facts based on the way you see it.
So now you
because what did they do?
Based on how I see it.
Yes.
How do I see it?
Okay.
Show me in the
in the sense that come about if it happens before. Now let's see. That's what I say. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt.
Okay, we should give him the benefit.
Yes, because this man just sworn in as a Chief Justice. Yes, we cannot sit down on this network.
So did you give Tokonu?
He deserved benefit.
Did you give Tokonu the benefit of the doubt during the Supreme Court's petition? Did you give it?
We have so many independent bodies.
What
at that time maybe
I'm not talking about any independent. You see,
let me build
you are mixing everything.
I'm not mixing.
I'm talking about you are an NDC person sitting here. Even on this show,
yes,
you have described her as the women's organizer.
Well, you have seen her in the activities
with
the pictures and everything.
Okay,
that's what I'm going.
Even on this show, you are not talking about any CSO. Anybody. I'm talking about NDC and you are representing NDC.
Very well.
And even on this show, Maskolo soon bear with me. The one can describe her as the women's organizer of the MPP. You see how West can. Yes, you are lowy.
No.
You know you are lowy.
Because at that time we'll be seeing her in their programs.
Which program?
Oh, so many programs.
Show me one program that you
we have seen this.
No, tell us. The viewers are watching.
I cannot.
Then it is not true. Then it is not true.
You see, Manfari, if you say it's not true.
No, it's not true. No, don't argue the point that it is not true. Prove. Show me the program.
What I'm saying is that the asset now.
You can't show the program, but I want us to
in that time, based on what we be calling, this is what we calling her the MPP Women Organization and everything. They have the program that she have attended, and I will look for it. I will look for it. You see, before you proceed on this,
I want you to prove to us we are on national television.
Very well.
Nkache when you attend the program MPP. When che but attend, ko but attend. But the onus lies on you.
Based on that.
To prove that.
Based on that.
Gato konunang program.
Who go ahead and fish out the picture. So almost serious note.
Oh, we are serious.
Yes.
We are actually serious.
Yes, almost serious note. Well, vindicate NDC at that time.
Yes.
Or the whole public thinking any case that go to court.
And Chaba NDC.
9
MP
7 9 7
look at him. Basketball in that video. Basketball
yes.
No.
One day having a text
system when the
Chief Justice now the influence panel. No, you guy the Chief Justice now influence panel.
Manafari. I know I'm with the two hosts having a panel. I'm a panel and two of you are hosts.
No,
you keep on coming.
You don't say that. When he was naked on the floor, you see sometimes you see sometimes some of these statements they don't soon.
Okay.
It's unnecessary.
Okay.
Unnecessary in the sense that lokacin da yake magana ni da shi ke yi kake shi wallahi ka shiga ciki har yazo ya ce maka bar shiga ciki ka shiga ciki ina zuwa you interject more than anyone on this show. You do it more than anyone. I'm the host, I know. But you see, when you are doing that, when they can describe like that.
Yes.
But you see, you are quick at describing. Shake a car host to mention. No, you see,
it's a normal.
No, it's not normal. To you, it is normal.
It's normal language that.
My brother, Sama Kuri, back down Kuri.
You are media.
Problem unkani back down Kuri. Yeah, I'm telling you.
People knows me as a very.
Oh, back down Kuri. Some Nina gaya maka gaskiya guda ne. Baka da hankuri rashin hankurin ka ne ba. You see, you can't take questions when you are inde kana submission kan na shurun ban tambayan ka komi kai wannan ka fi so ko ba haka ba
wannan bai bar so da
ba ka so wannan kai ba ka so
why not
ba ka so wannan shi da yake magana na ta tambaye shi questions
yes
na tambaye shi questions ba
yes
but he never said what you said to me right now.
Like what?
Come two people are hosting him. What are you telling the viewer?
No, it's just a normal.
I'm telling you, if this program, if this program, people out there respect you, respect the program.
That's okay.
And I depend on the comments that comes out of you. You denigrate the program.
Oh no,
that is what you are doing.
I have respect.
Allow me to talk.
Okay,
I beg you.
That's okay.
You denigrate the same program. You wake up every Tuesday to come and sit on, and try to create the picture, the impression that somebody is sitting here doing someone's bidding.
No.
But the point is that you see, when you make controversial statements, when you make controversial statements, it is my responsibility here
to come in,
yes, to correct you and sometimes stop you from making them.
That's very
you describe the Chief Justice here on this set
as
MPP Women's Organizer.
Yes.
You kaganta chicken program MPP. Shena che maka bani evidence da ke gwadawa. Baka ka ban evidence in number. Na zuwa baka ban evidence in number. But kana son allow ka say akan wannan ka make submission ka. If I allow you to do that, it shows that I'm a very weak host. I will not allow you. It's either you withdraw it or you show me the evidence, then we move on.
Okay, so
because we will not those kind of things. In political discourse, let's deal with the issue.
That's okay.
We are talking about the fact that in his capacity as the Chief Justice, if yesterday he was part of a panel that you called unanimous FC, because to you, Kunaga Kaman, the Chief Justice then influence to take decision. Today, he as the Chief Justice, can't he do the same thing? Because that system the Shoke described be the Kelna, he was part of it. Can't he do the same? This is very simple question for us to answer. Not to be going around picking on people. No, that's bad.
I can come in now.
That's bad. That's bad. And this is not the first time you are doing things like this. I say on this show, I will not allow that to go on. I will not allow it, especially a disrespect towards my person as the host. When you come here, I give you maximum respect. So I expect that as the
do
host,
the same thing.
you don't. You do it in a subtle way. She kana son ka sa wani abu cikin mind masu kallo kaman cikin wasa kaman wanda ke zamnin nan bai rai ya gama kanshi da wan suna min kuma magana da kake zamne kana gaggaya wannan duka magana ne da an pushing ka kawo evidence ba kai ka kawo.
Oh, it's only very
so ka kawo evidence kawo ina so ka kawo evidence kawo kai kana da evidence kawo baka da evidence magana da nake ga wannan dusi ne gaskiya ne ina zuwa kawo min evidence kaman tana cikin program ne ina zuwa ka kawo
na describe it as a woman organizer of MP because there is one time seeing here in one of the programs. I'm asat now. Then it can come program. I don't have the pictures with me here.
So you see, if you don't have it, then I tambeka na sheka chemi. Oh, yanzu da nike come program ngadi. Ban some pictures.
I've said it.
You didn't say that. You didn't say it. Ban some pictures in na. Amma abin nan tayi ne. Tayi shirana kaza. You see, you don't even have the details of the what you are making reference.
You
don't have the details. So not tayi when the program MPP tell you. Okay, if you don't have the pictures, when the program MPP, you can get it.
The one program that they are celebrating their women.
Which one?
The one program.
The name of the program.
Celebrating MPP women.
Which program? Every program has a name.
Yes.
Which program?
I cannot recollect them.
So you see, that's the main reason why it shouldn't come in. You see, that's the main reason why it shouldn't come in. You see, that's the main reason why it shouldn't come in. That's the main reason why it shouldn't come in. Yeah. You were making your submission, beautiful submission. Then you brought this thing in. That's why I have to come in and ask you a question. Okay. If I don't ask you, those who are sitting in the house, if they are fair, they will be disappointed in you.
So what I'm saying is that I've promised you on this network.
Yes.
That I'll tell you one of their MPP Women's program. The name of the program escaped me. So if you want me to withdraw that one until the day I brought it, then we can take it from there. Maybe it will not be subject or discussion on that day. So if you want me as a host, I'll withdraw that one.
Wait, MPP loyal ladies. Move on. MPP loyal ladies program.
No, maybe that is maybe I cannot recollect the program name.
Why won't you just withdraw that statement so we can...
I've said it over and over. You see now. I was happy. You told him to allow you to be talking to me.
You also do it. What he did, you do it. But you see, the problem I have with you is that Shia in the nature, but the Shia in the nature, but I should.
Oh yes. That's okay.
It
applies to me.
Nkaini yanzu ngono ka mai da magana shi ka ce malam fari da mun samu two hosts.
Oh man.
Ni kawai.
Why you keep
It's only when you don't have something to say. That's where you go and you say
I have a lot.
If you have something to say, say it.
See,
you are here to defend. You are here to defend the NDC.
I'm very prepared.
The party in power.
Very prepared.
You are doing. Listen, your party is doing a lot of good things out there.
And we are not
so sometimes when you sit here, when you and we are not discussing because things like this are happening.
There's a topic that
we are removing Chief Justice and we are replacing the Chief Justice
lawfully.
So if you are here as an NDC person,
lawfully,
I mean, I can expect from you, neighbor.
Yeah.
When they ask you questions, don't feel like they are gagging you.
No, nobody's gagging me.
So that's what you always feel.
I've never feel any gag.
So why at that point?
I've never feel.
When you gag anybody,
you gag people. We are wasting time.
We are not wasting time.
Listen, I've withdrawn that. I've withdrawn that. It's okay.
Card withdraw.
Yes.
But can't you shake a kumo? But can't withdraw
because
they can withdraw now. Shouldn't go back.
Yes.
Say neche imagana.
Yes.
Shake a jeka kumo with abi ne can withdraw na kumo kai.
Neche come me. Neche me.
Because
sometimes you see, sometimes when we are having a discussion on this network,
yes. You unfortunately you are not the only NDC person who comes here. You are the only one who gives me this problem. I'm telling you. So maybe you watch the other NDC people.
Maybe
I
was on another network.
Oroya comes here.
I was on another network.
Ajia Alima.
Yes.
Alima Tusadia.
Yes.
She comes here.
Yes.
None of them do this on this show. You are the only
what
person.
Saying,
and there was one day we have to end the show because of these things. The name calling. that you do. So you like name calling, you do it and do me. If you do it to him, fine. But when you do it and you do it to me, Allah bamu show now. I cannot mutai.
No man for so is that can go back by the end on the issue.
Man can end. That will end show there Zungawani. Then kana ba kulun kana yi na so ba na so chairman kagani kamamba. When you come here, you come as the representative of the NDC. And you are not here for me to keep quiet for you to say whatever you want to say. You are here to defend any question I put to you without name calling. But you see, the moment you can drift, can she get name calling? Can I describe one as host with me, Munzamo 2 against 1? I will not allow it. You know, that one. See, that one, because you come here once only in a week. Now, Zua, in a week, can Zua not so good? Now, Zua, that due respect you don't give me. No, you don't give me. Because we've gone through this thing, not once, not twice, and I thought that we make progress. But you see, anytime you get the opportunity, you repeat it. It's like can I be the keke now? And I'm saying that you are not the only NDC person that comes here, but you are the only one who the keyboard muna you want can shunga. When you do your submission without the name calling, can go straight to the point. They ask you questions, you answer the ones you can and you can answer. You leave the ones you can. I ask you a lot of questions here, but duka can answer. But you choose. There's a way you do it. You answer. There's a way you don't answer. But can be chairman question. She na question the can be. As a political communicator. Manufari. Then you go about calling people names. I don't like that. Need one number.
Finally.
Let's say need one number.
Yes, finally. If you don't want that, I'll leave it. This is the first time I don't know, but don't make it call network.
He's been great.
Yes. This is the first time I meet.
Yes.
But one thing I want to say, come on, you don't like maybe you take a I'm before the 2 hosts and everything. I see it as some normal.
It is not. You see it. I'm talking. Do you know the reason why? It's not about you. It's about my viewers. Me, I'm talking about my viewers. Because I'm putting poison in the minds of my viewers. I'm talking about telling me. Can I start poison? I've been telling you. Stop it. It's not good.
I was speaking on this on TV and radio more than close to 16 or 17 years ago. Come on, wherever I go, I sometimes we have a small joke with the panel.
It is not a joke.
Oh, no,
you see, you take it as a joke. Right now, let me open the phone lines. You see what the viewers will see. When you do it, you finish every day here. We open the phone lines and the viewers attack me because of the way. See, we cannot run away from the fact that this is a Zongo media. And Zongo, majority of those who watch this television station, majority of them are NDC supporters, and those are the ones we are working with. You know, so if I sit here and I'm doing a program with an NDC communicator, she put in the minds of my viewers, come on, what is he trying to imply? Come on, Nima MPP go.
No.
Kasa ni chicken party. So you sit here every day, you do that now. You sit here, that is not what you mean.
And I've so much respect for you.
You sit here every day. Kulun kazo kazam na kanset. Sometimes kaiban tankawa. No, so you understand. This
is a normal political program, normal media program, everything.
Let it slide.
Yes, I'm a chance in the Kumu. You drop, not Tadesh.
No problem.
Me, I don't mind.
Okay, I will draw.
But we don't care about chairman. I don't want this thing to happen.
Very well.
It's not like I like what we are doing.
That's okay.
Ask him. This is not the first time.
That's okay.
It's not the second time. It's not the third time.
Okay.
Anytime you come here, we do this.
One of I will take a cue. I will take a cue from you. In the sense,
let us make.
Yes, I will take a cue from you. Anytime you ask me questions.
Don't call me names. I don't like it. Yeah, Mascolona look at Chidiba Tsarin Safiya political sentiment. It has always been like this when Chairman Maestro is here. So I know that even you are used to it. Assalamu alaikum.
I don't know what to say again. I've apologized.
Kana bukatar inda zaka wanke suturanka ko kayanka da sauran bukatunka na gyara wuri